What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best digital cameras in 2022. There's a lot of choice for digital cameras. While many manufacturers still create some of the best point-and-shoot digital cameras, the market has turned its attention toward advanced models that carry higher price points. Advanced digital cameras include DSLR cameras, full-frame mirrorless cameras with interchangeable lens, ILCs, as well as fixed lens cameras. And while these cameras have a higher price point, topping out at over $3,000, they offer excellent image quality that often exceeds that of instant cameras. If you want to use any of these cameras for wildlife photography, you might also be interested in our review of the DSLR Red Sight Dot. Makes for killer wildlife photography. We focused on a wide variety of options for our review, and came up with the 5 different digital cameras to purchase and test in person. During our testing, we focused mainly on image quality, but also took into account other features, like the camera's build quality and video recording capabilities. After taking landscape pictures, selfies and more, we have crowned the Canon PowerShot SX 530 as the best digital camera for 2022, because of its huge zoom lens, superb image sensor size and overall reliability. Keep reading to learn more about this option, and the other 4 best digital cameras you can buy. Take beautiful pictures with crisp backgrounds using our best photo box guide. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Canon PowerShot SX 530. The PowerShot SX 530 from Canon offers tremendous versatility thanks to its 50x optical zoom lens and its overall snappy performance. Image quality here is much better than what you find in a typical large zoom, fixed lens camera, which means you'll have no problem making large prints from this PowerShot. Because the SX 530 has a large number of features that outperform the majority of large zoom lens cameras, this unit is one of the best on the market, especially when you use it as a travel camera or for blogging applications. It would have been nice if Canon had found a way to include a viewfinder with this model, but it's still a very strong camera. Unfortunately, the SX 530 can struggle to focus quickly when fully zoomed in, which is the only gripe we had about such a large zoom lens. The good thing is that this small downside is by no means a make or break feature that you'll need to worry about too much. You also get full HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, a feature we were surprised to see here. We were pleased with both the image and video quality we were able to capture with the PowerShot SX 530, which is why this super zoom camera made our top pick. Specification and features. Brand: Canon. Form factor: compact. Effective still resolution: 16. Special feature: wireless. Optical zoom: 50. Connectivity technology: Wi-Fi, NFC. Screen size: 3 inches. Item weight: 418 grams. Video capture resolution: 1080p. Photo sensor technology: CMOS. In our opinion, the Canon PowerShot SX 530 is a super versatile digital camera with strong image quality and a powerful zoom lens. We think it is among the best cameras you can buy. If you're looking to capture images from a distance without sacrificing quality, you'll definitely need to consider the PowerShot SX 530. Reasons to buy. Best optical zoom on our list. Includes Wi-Fi and NFC functionality. Responsive overall performance. Reasons to avoid. Most expensive option on our list. Focus speed while zoomed can be slow. No electronic viewfinder. Number 2. Sony DSC W800B 20.1 MP digital camera. With a powerful superhead CCD image sensor, you're going to be hard-pressed to find a compact point-and-shoot camera with better image quality than the Sony DSC W800B. The sensor offers an impressive 20.1 MP in its ultra-compact frame, and the size of the CCD sensor allows the Sony to outperform the other compact cameras we tested. The Sony DSC W800B unfortunately doesn't offer much in the ways of optical zoom, with only a 5x lens, but you do get several other features that are worth noting. Specifically, you get Sony's steady shot image stabilization, which keeps your pictures crisp and clear, along with a 360-degree sweep panorama option for a more unique picture. The LCD display here is another really strong feature, with a diagonal 2.7 inches of colorful display that allows you to view your pictures whenever you'd like. The Sony DSC W800B is a great point and shoot camera that won't leave you disappointed. For great deals, read about the best digital camera under $200. Specification and features. Brand: Sony. Model name: DSC W800B. Form factor: compact. Effective still resolution: 20.1. Special feature: image stabilization. Optical zoom: 5x. Color: black. Connectivity technology: USB. Screen size: 2.7 inches. Photo sensor size: 0.3 inch. Reasons to buy: incredibly user-friendly, ultra compact, high performance xenon flash. Reasons to avoid: no 1080p video, plastic build feels cheap, no Wi-Fi. In our opinion, the Sony DSC W800B is a very fast point and shoot camera that offers amazing image quality in a thin, compact package. The low price point also doesn't hurt. Number 3. Canon PowerShot ELPH 180. If you're looking for a digital camera that won't get in the way of the rest of your things, look no further than the Canon PowerShot ELPH 180. It's the perfect point and shoot camera to take on trips or while you're on the go. The ELPH 180 offers you a ton of useful features in its tiny, 0.87-inch frame. For starters, this 20MP digital camera uses a CCD sensor and additional image stabilization features that help you take the best pictures possible. Of course, considering the price and size of this digital camera, you won't be able to achieve similar image quality as premium digital cameras, especially in dim lighting. However, we were overall very pleased with the images we were able to capture with the ELPH during our testing. The camera also features an 8x optical zoom and impressively large display, 5 inches, which makes this one of the best cameras for beginners. You don't get full HD video camera capabilities, but considering everything else you get with the Canon PowerShot ELPH 180, we just couldn't pass it by. If you need something more rugged, check out the best waterproof camera. Specification and features. Brand: Canon. Model name: Canon PowerShot ELPH 180. Form factor: compact. Effective still resolution: 20. Special feature: image stabilization. Optical zoom: 8x. Color: red. Connectivity technology: USB. Screen size: 5 inches. Photo sensor size: 0.3 inch. Reasons to buy: super compact design, large and colorful display, great for beginners. Reasons to avoid: no 1080p video, doesn't offer much in manual controls, doesn't do well in dim lighting. In our opinion, the Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 is the most compact camera on our list, measuring in at only 0.87 inches thick. Fortunately, this compact digital camera is packed full of features, so you're not missing out just because of the small size. Number 4. Waterproof digital camera. There aren't tons of high-quality waterproof cameras out there unless you want to explore the expensive GoPro territory, which is why the Yizens waterproof digital camera is a refreshing addition to our list of best digital cameras. Obviously, the most attractive feature about this camera is its waterproof design that doesn't require any kind of attachment or box. While you can only go 10 feet underwater for up to an hour at a time, you'll still get excellent underwater pictures without much effort. The Yizens digital camera also includes a unique, dual display design so you can more easily take selfies and get them right on the first shot. In addition to the display on the back of the camera, there is also a smaller display on the front of the camera so you can see what you're shooting in selfie mode. We were surprisingly impressed with this feature, although the display doesn't offer the highest resolution we've experienced. If you need something a little more rugged and 100% waterproof, Then you can't pass up the Yizens waterproof digital camera. You may also want to read about the best underwater camera. Specification and features. Brand, Yizens. Effective still resolution, 24 MP. Special feature, image stabilization. Color, yellow. Connectivity technology, USB. Screen size, 2.7 inches. Shooting modes, underwater. Flash memory type, SD card, micro SD. Video capture resolution, 720p. Lens type, zoom. Reasons to buy. Fully waterproof. Most affordable on the list. Unique selfie display. Reasons to avoid. Display isn't very high resolution. Can only go 10 feet deep. Controls aren't as intuitive. In our opinion. When you're on an adventure, you want to be able to take pictures of everything, even underwater. With the Yizens waterproof digital camera, you can take pictures underwater without a worry. Number 5. Digital 2.7K 48MP vlogging camera. If you're a photographer just starting out, you're probably hesitant to drop a ton of money and time into a brand new DSLR camera. And while digital SLR cameras are something you should aim for eventually, the long-in digital camera is an excellent starting point, especially if you're on a budget. With a 24MP still image resolution and 2.7K video resolution, 2704x1520, you'll be equipped with a powerful little camera, capable of taking high-quality photos and videos with ease. And while the display isn't a tilting touchscreen, it still does tilt up to 180 degrees vertically, giving you a ton of flexibility in getting your shots. During our testing, this was one of our favorite features. Overall, the design of the long-in digital camera is good, but it does feel a little plasticky and almost too lightweight, creating a cheaper feel than what we typically like to see. That being said, we didn't run into any durability issues. These features and its ease of use make the long-in digital camera our top pick for beginners. Also check out the best mirrorless camera. Specification and features. Brand, 7/8. Model name, DC402. Form factor, compact. Effective still resolution, 48 MP. Special feature, time-lapse. Optical zoom, 16x. Color, black. Connectivity technology, USB. Screen size, 2.8 inches. Photo sensor size, 1.8 inch. Reasons to buy. Super easy to use. 2.7K video recording. Tilting display. Reasons to avoid. Disappointing optical zoom. Design feels a little cheap. Battery drains too fast during video recording. In our opinion. Starting the journey to becoming a photographer can be a complicated and expensive one, which is where the long-in digital camera comes into plan. This digital camera is affordable and easy to learn, giving you superb images straight out of the box. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.